Hey guys, it's me. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Porsche RC car, and in the next video I'll be reviewing the Razor Quad that I have. And yeah, let's do it. And I have my friend here.
Hey guys.
Say hi.
Hi guys.
Okay,
So let's go
I'm gonna switch you all around.
onto the car. You can't switch.
Shoot.
Just mount it like that. Just mount it like that.
Okay.
There you go. What is that? Let's go.
Hold on, that's not so perfect.
Yeah, but it's hanging off there.
Where?
Move forward a little bit. Yeah, like
Right there. Mount it on. Okay.
Yes. Let's go, guys.
Hold on, wait. Hold on. Come. Okay, stop. Stop. Good. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Technical difficulties. I'll oh my god, I'll put the phone back on now.
Okay.
You hit me like real hard. Hold on.
I'll tell him I found a second Jenga block in Axie's shoe.
in his shoe. Now stop, Rosie. Don't crash, okay? My phone is on there.
Think we can make it up on his mask?
No, I can't make it up. Bring it back.
Run! Okay, now time to do the quad video. End it.
Okay. Bye.